Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about the words beginning with the sound of the letter D. In this lesson, you will be able to learn and read words beginning with the sound of the letter D. Are you ready? D is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter D. How to write the uppercase letter D? Use two strokes to write the uppercase letter D. Start at the blue headline. Pull down straight to the blue baseline. Leave. Go back to the starting point. Slide right curve forward to the blue baseline. Slide left. This is a lowercase letter D. How to write the lowercase letter D? Use one stroke to write the lowercase letter D. Start at the red midline. Circle forward all the way around. Push up straight to the blue headline. Then, pull down straight to the blue baseline. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter D. D is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter D sounds as D, D, D.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum.
Let's read the consonant-vowel pair with which the name of each picture begins. Da, da, dam. Da, de, den. Da, di, deeper. Da, do, dog. Da, do, dustpan. Da, de, di, do, da. De, da, di, do, do. Do, di, de, da, do, do, da, di, de, da. Now it's your turn. The, dad. The, dam. The, dance. The, dark. The, dart. The, den. The, dentist. The, desert. The, desk. The, deeper. The, this. The, doctor. The, dog. The, dolphin. The, domino. The, donut. The, door. The, duck. The, dustpan. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter D. Dad, dam, dance, dark, dart, den, dentist, desert, desk, deeper, this, doctor, dog, dolphin, domino, donut, door, dock, dustpan. More words beginning with the sound of the letter D. Drum, deer, dice, dress, doll, dinosaur, dragon, diamond. Are you ready? Say the name of each picture and circle the consonant-vowel pair with which each name begins. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is de, dentist. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is the, dart. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is D, deeper. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is do, door. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is dog, duck. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is de, den. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is dog, dark. The beginning sound of the name of the picture is do, donut. Write the name of the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter D. You may also write your answer in the comment section. These are the pictures whose names begin with the sound of the letter D. Doll, drum, dice, dragon, dinosaur, diamond. Now, practice writing the letter D on your notebook.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.